see the whole journey, see the whole experience, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So this is the tattoo kit that I got from Amazon. It comes in this case. I'll show what's in it. So first off, we'll start with the power supply. This is the name of the company or the brand that makes it. It's a power supply. These are the power supply cables. This is the cord that links your coil gun to the power supply. The foot pedal for the power supply. And then these are the three machines, or there's 4 machines in here. So we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. This is the one that I worked with before, so I'm going to go ahead and continue using this one. It also comes with 50 pieces of needles. So there are those. Make sure you check the expiration dates. I got this a while ago, actually. I got this actually in 2020. So there's a few things that are missing from my kit that will come in yours if you order it off Amazon today, which is the ink, but the ink has expired because it's been over 2 or 3 years, so you don't want to use anything expired. We got some disposable tips. We got a cap stand. And we got caps, tons and tons of caps that you just fill your ink in, and you just, you know. We got some, I guess these are grippers. I don't know the exact name of this. We got more tips. We got some disposable grips and tips. So I'll probably just use that. It's simple. We got rubber bands and a little Allen key set. And this box also comes with keys so that you can lock it up too. So that's everything that comes in the kit. If you order one today, it'll come with the ink. I think it's probably like 50 colors. Ink set or something like that for different color tattoos. So for now, I'll go ahead and get the gun set up. Now we have our needle. Then we put our cap onto there to keep this from falling off. You want to put a slight bend in your needle as well. So if you guys can see, my needle has a little bend in it. You just bend it yourself to keep it from falling off. Our guard, slide that on. So now you can see that our needle is poking out, but you want to slide it back to where literally just the sharpest point of the needles are coming. So I'll also link this tattoo ink below. I got this also from Amazon.